Today, we're diving into how to integrate ClickUp with Evernote. First, navigate to the Create option and click on it. Within that menu, find and click on Zaps. Once there, select the Trigger option. Next, you'll want to choose ClickUp as your trigger app. Proceed to the Trigger Event section and pick the desired trigger event. After selecting the trigger event, go ahead and click on Continue. Now, select your workspace and click on Continue once more. Following that, click on Test Trigger to ensure everything is set correctly. Then, click on Continue with selected record and select the Evernote app from the App section. Now, move to the Action event and choose the appropriate action event. Once done, click on Continue. Here, you'll need to choose the notebook and title, filling these out as required. Afterward, click on Continue. Then, you'll want to click on Skip Test and proceed by clicking on Publish. It's now publishing, and that's how you connect and interact with ClickUp and Evernote. Thank you for watching.